Hi everyone, it's the Hobby Dabbler. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these little 2x2 coin flips. You can buy them and they're nice, and I have bought them before. The ones that you buy look something like this, and then you fold them and put the coin inside and staple them in there. So there's my homemade version versus the real version. These can get pretty pricey if you have a large coin lot, so I thought I'd show you how I make mine. And what you will need to do them is some cardstock, preferably acid-free cardstock, like for scrapbooking, because then the acid won't damage the coins. You will also need a piece of transparency film. You can buy transparency film at any school supply shop like Staples or somewhere like that. They come in a big box full. I found some at the thrift store actually. They're just clear pieces of plastic. I don't believe they're made of PVC because PVC is apparently really bad for coins and they will turn your coins green over time. So what you do is you take your cardstock. Any color cardstock works. You cut it into 2 inches by 2 inches. And the reason you you cut it in 2 inches by 4 inches. So the short side should be 2 inches and the long side should be 4 inches. And because you're going to fold it in half then, like so. Here we go. And then what you're going to do is you are going to take either a hole punch, I have a hole punch here, or if you have a Sizzix Big Shot, I like to use my little Sizzix dies. So they're just these little wafer dies. You put this on top of here. Mine's kind of bent for some reason. You put it on top and you cut through both layers. And you roll it through the machine and it cuts out a nice hole like this. So then once you have your holes cut through just the cardstock, and I think I'll just use my punch right now. This is just a 1-inch punch to show you. I don't care if it's centered so much. Other people might. My punch is getting dull, so I need another one. Well, there we go. You got a punch, you got a hole. You can also cut the hole out just by drawing a circle to the size of the coin you want and cutting it out manually, but this is a little faster. So now all you do is you take your piece of Mylar, which is also cut in 2 inches by 4 inches. You fold that in half, like that, and then you put it inside of the cardstock. Now you take a little stapler and you staple the bottom corners. Of course my stapler is not going to work. Hang on, I'll get another one. So anyway, you staple the bottom corners. And now your Mylar flip is ready to go. And when you want to add a coin, you separate the transparency films. You pop a coin in there, and it should hold it fairly tightly. And then you put a staple here and put a staple here, and then you have your little 2x2 flip. It's not as pretty as this one, but it's a lot cheaper and it does the job. So I thought you might like to know how to save some money making that. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks so much. Bye!